Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to NEPH, your YouTube channel where we solve our problems on maths, covering different topics or areas in maths, alright? If you're having any challenge in maths, you can go through whatever area of topic that you can find in the channel and watch the video so that you can be able to learn, from solved questions in this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video too a friend or a student that you know that these videos could be of help. All right, guys. So let's get right into today's video. All right. So the question reads 500 tickets were sold. Okay, so 500, that's the value, were sold for a concert. Now, tickets for adults and children, so for adults and what children, were sold at what we have. This is a $4 what 50 cents and what we have $3 respectively. So let's first of all interpret the first line. The first line is very, very, very important. This is a word problem, but this word problem, I think, from the first line is going to lead us to what? Simultaneous equation. Because we are comparing what? Two different what? Quantities. Or we are comparing adults and what? Children. So let's say A is for what? Adults and C is for what? Children. So the first statement says 500 tickets were sold for a concert. So what does that mean? It means in the entire concert, the tickets for children, the tickets for adults is 500. So if we had adults, okay, plus what children gives us what 500 what tickets. So that statement alone tells us something. So this forms an equation. So adult tickets, okay, plus children tickets gives us a total of 500 tickets to be sold for the concert. Now the question now continues that, but these 4 what? $50, that's $4.50, okay, was sold for adults and $3 was sold for children because the question says respectively. So when we say respectively, we have to follow the order. So this is for this, and this should be for this. All right, so what does that statement mean? It means, so we have a number of tickets times amount, okay? So we have 4.50 tickets, now dollars times what? A, okay, plus what? We have $3 times children. So let's see what this will give us. Now, if the total receipts for the concert was this, oh, so this is the total amount that was sold, which is what? 1,987 point what? 50 what cents. So we have $1,987.50 cents. Now the question says, how many tickets for adults were sold? So the idea is we want to solve for what A. And from our observation, we can call this our equation 1 and this as our equation 2. Of course, when you have such problems, you can use any of the what methods of solving simultaneous equation to solve the problem. All right, so let's quickly solve them using elimination method of solving simultaneous what equation. Now for elimination method, I see that we have, of course, for elimination method, the coefficient of this is 1. For this, we have $4.50. Here we have 1. Here we have $3.50. So the idea is we want to eliminate what? C. So using what? Elimination method, we are going to what? Eliminate C. C is for children, okay? So, but for we to eliminate C, I want to make the coefficient of C in equation 2 an in equation 1 equal. So how do I do that? I'm going to multiply this by what? $3. $3.00. So if we multiply all these by $3.00, so the coefficients of children will now become what? Equal. So let's do that. So $3 multiply this is going to give us what? It's going to give us $3 times adults tickets plus $3 multiplied is going to give us another $3 times what? Children tickets. Now $3 multiplied this is going to give us what? So we have 3 times 5 is 15. So we have 1,500 what dollars. So $1,500. But remember, this is our equation what? 2. Let's write it up here. So equation 2 has $4.50 adult plus $3 children is equals. We have this value, so I have it as 1,987.50. All right, so since we have made the coefficients of children equal, we can now easily solve for what? E. So how do we solve for A? Using elimination method. Now I'm saying that I'm going to subtract both equations. If I subtract this equation, subtract side, I'm going to see that this will become 0. So we have this minus this. Let's subtract this. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus this is what? 5. 4 minus 3 is 1. So I have 1.50A. Now $3 times the children plus minus is minus. So this minus this is going to give me what? 0 is equals. Now we're going to subtract the right hand side. So I have this minus this 0, 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0. The 5 minus 0 is what? 5. So we have 7 minus 0. 0 is going to give us what? 7. 8 minus this is going to give me 8. 9 minus 5 is going to give me what? 4. So we have this value in dollars. So from this plus this is going to give us $1.50 times A is equals to $487.50. So how do we find the number of tickets, okay, for adults at this point? So you are going to divide this by $1.50, divide this by $1.50. So that this will cancel, this is 1, 1. So we are left with what? A. So remember, A is for adults, adult tickets that we're looking for. So we are going to solve this to be able to get our value for adult tickets. So let's quickly solve this. Now to solve this, okay, I can say quickly, I have A is equals to 487.50 divided by 1.50. I'm going to move 1, okay, 2. I'm going to move 1, 2. So A is equals to 48750 divided by 150. So whatever value we get, that gives us our answer. Remember, the dollar will cancel the dollar. So this is out. So we are left with it. Now 0 will cancel 0 here. So we are left with this. Okay, so let's quickly divide this and see what we are going to get. Now dividing that, okay, quickly, I'm going to see that I have 15 divided 4,875. 15 into 48 is how many times? Is 3 times, which is 45. We'll subtract this, we have 3. Bring down the what? 7. 15 into 37 will give us what? 2 times, which is 30. We will subtract this, we are going to get 7. So bring down the what? 5. So 15 divided 75 is going to give us how many times? So 5 times, which is 75. Subtract this is 0. So the number of adult tickets is going to give us what? 325 tickets. So that gives us the solution to this problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and share this video to somebody it may be of help to. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.